Alright, ladies and gentlemen, AF and TD here. Got my bass boat. I'm about to launch it at Woods Canyon. And he's gonna catch all the tiger trout, and I probably won't catch any because I need them. So that's usually how that works. But pretty much only gonna use the trolling motor the whole time. AF. This guy, so should be fun. No, yeah, no.
I woke up at 2:45 for this.
And I woke up at 3:45 for this. But I had to tow a boat. And he had to dodge elk. So it was fun. Alright, catch you guys on the water. You can build the park?
What's that?
You can build the park? It's literally just to the left. Like right next to where those cars are. Okay. If you could, yeah, push this off, that'd be great. Any idea where you want to start? Okay. You only have one set up? Sucker! What's wrong?
Spot step, bro.
Alright, well, we're trolling. See what we do. Not sure how the darkness will do. So far, it doesn't look too promising. All the marks are gone. Almost like it's day and night. I have like a touch of service right here.
Your phone?
Yeah. That Verizon life, man. Yeah, the numbers dropped off drastically though, as soon as we got in shade. So I'm just gonna go a little bit wide here. I don't know if they're gonna be in this little cove too much. We just got wind. We're going like nowhere now. Got it?
Got him. Little bow. Easy way. Matching colors too. That's how you catch them, man. There you go, guys. Z-Ray works for you.
Matt got first blood. Jesus. See you, dude. Down he goes. Middle of the lake for the win.
Fish.
Rainbow. It's a decent little rainbow though.
For days.
Yeah, halfway chunky.
For here, that's not bad.
Yeah. He's a fighter. Oh God. Don't lose him. Oh, popped off for me. Thanks, dude. Alright guys, got another rainbow.
Nice.
On a messed up cast.
They're always the winners though.
Yep. Whew. Popped out. Another healthy one. Get him in there with his friend. I knew that was gonna happen. That was on the worst cast possible. I even said it in the back of my head, like, because you made that joke earlier.
Yep. That's what catches them.
I'll try to the left, I guess. Alright guys, giving you an update. Anchored on shore real quick. I caught another rainbow. Matt's working on another one, but I'm gonna try bottom fishing. It's a little bit later in the day now. Not as active. So, see what we do. Hey man, I'm feeding a family of one here. Off. Man. Man, I don't know which one it was because there's none left. That was quick. It's a good sign. Alright, take two. It's that garlic, man. Gets them every time. I don't even know if this is garlic, but kind of smells like it.
It's not too.
I guess I'll just sit here and hold mine too for a second. Oh, Matt's on.
Fish on the hook.
It's a tiger.
Yeah.
Nope, rainbow. That's good.
Swallowed both hooks.
I'd say that's a keeper.
He's hungry. No, he spit one.
So we know the dead one's yours. Are we just like moving or what's going on here?
Oh man.
Oh baby, a triple.
Oh yeah.
It's a rainbow.
Both for days, guys.
Whole lot of these guys.
Side of the mouth too.
Is this kind of like how it is and then you randomly get a tiger? Okay. That's fine with me. As long as we actually get a tiger. Or I guess as long as I get a tiger. Because I need one for the stupid challenge. Matt missed his. I missed mine. Matt hooked up to something decent. Little rainbow.
Long boy.
Yeah. So there's some potential there for a sec. Yep. Hit the orange ball. Hey, dude.
Hey, Sean. This is a tiger for sure, not.
That one not. Decent little bow, though.
Or at least you try.
Try to get yours. Jeez, where's now he's fighting. He's healthy. I'll throw him in the box. As long as he's not gut hooked.
Nah, that's quick release right there. Gotta get him motorboated.
couple of them aren't too happy, but there's quite a few that are happy.
I don't think they're very happy, actually.
Yeah, probably. Alright, we had as much fun as we can at this spot. No tigers.
You know what they say. Can't catch a tiger. You're not going for the... So anyways.
For the what? Did you, were you saying something?
No.
No?
I was thinking. Did you hear that?
Thinking out loud? Dang it! It's just a nice rainbow. There he goes.
Quick release.
That's more or less what I wanted anyway.
Okay.
Alright, and here we see Matt trying to string her some rainbows.
It's like a herd of cattle. Just love me. Stop running away.
This is usually what he does with his women.
And this is the direction.
20 minutes later.
Almost had something there.
2 hours later.
Wait, oh.
This has been fishing with Aaron.
Looks like there's one other easy one in there you can go for.
Nah, that's too easy.
Let's just go for it now. Just try to snag him.
Just try to put him in the mouth.
Oh.
You almost had it.
Day 2.
Can he do it?
Can you put Jeopardy music to this, please? Thank you. You're tired.
No.
Some lively Woods Canyon trout, folks. About to bash their head in here in a second. There we go. First blood.
Oh, he's got the second one on.
Look at all of them. Oh, yeah. Get some pictures from the old interwebs there. There you have it, guys. Released a couple, kept a couple. All rainbow trout. No tigers, full on.
Yeah. I still want a tiger. So I'm gonna keep him hostage here until probably 10 o'clock tonight, waiting to get one. Yummy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, got stuff on the screen, but it's a little windy, trying to hold the GoPro. And yeah, there's just too much wind to even try talking right now, so. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is AF and TD closing up the trip right now. Ended up getting 6 of them, or at least we're keeping 6. I think we probably caught at least 10, something like that. Released a few of them. No tigers, which is the main reason we came here, but still fun to take the boat out. It's been a little while since I've taken it out. Never tried taking a boat up here in the northern lakes. We're at, again, Woods Canyon, so very nice and scenic. Super nice out right now.
What lake?
Woods Canyon.
Nice. What lake?
Alright, gonna start packing up and head out of here. See you guys in the next video. Peace.